How to turn on dark mode on Spendee. Are guys facing issues to turn on dark mode on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this menu icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this option where you can see multiple options. Now just scroll down and click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced, you can see the option for appearance. Click on it. You are looking to change it to dark theme, right? Select dark theme and your app will instantly change to dark mode. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to add dark mode on the Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.